Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow your Snapchat public profile and get more followers step by step. So here's the secret. Snapchat followers mostly grow from visibility and value, meaning people follow you because they see you somewhere, or you give them something interesting consistently. Step 1. Post content consistently. Use your public profile to upload spotlight videos, behind-the-scenes, tutorials, or lifestyle clips. Snapchat pushes regular content more often, even if it's short. Post daily or 3 times a week. Consistency beats perfect videos. Step 2. Optimize your public profile bio. Open Snapchat. Tap your Bitmoji scroll to public profile. Tap Edit Profile. Add a short description that tells people what they will see. Example: tech tips and daily tutorials, or fitness plus motivation. When people understand what your page is about quickly, they follow faster. Step 3. Use trending sounds. When you create spotlight videos, choose popular songs or trending audios. Trending content gets suggested to more users. Step 4. Promote your profile outside Snapchat. Copy your public profile link and share it on TikTok, WhatsApp status, Instagram story, Facebook groups. If you are active in other places, don't hide your Snap link. The more places people can find you, the more followers come in. Step 5. Engage. Reply to comments on your spotlights. When a video gets comments, Snapchat pushes it more. Also use Ask Me Anything style snaps to get interactions. Step 6. Create shareable content. Make content people want to save or share. Funny clips, quick tips, aesthetic scenery, motivation quotes, all perform very well. Step 7. Upload spotlight content. This is the biggest growth driver. Most Snap users discover new profiles through Spotlight, not your normal story. So make sure you upload at least some short vertical videos to Spotlight frequently. Conclusion: growing on Snapchat is not luck. Post with value, be consistent, use trending audios, engage with your viewers, and promote your profile off Snapchat. Doing these things week after week will increase your followers naturally.